Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Vettsy solid nail glue and Painted Desert extra short almond nails. Here is the solid nail tips glue, and look, it don't pour out. It is stiff. And the Painted Desert extra short almond nails. I'm just going to scoop up a little bit of this glue. Now this is the first time I played with this stuff. I've never ever played with this stuff before. So I do have a peel-off base on because it's the Cocoa and Claire one. It does last me several days, and but it'll make these come off easy. So I am trying to line it up back by the cuticle and start it there and push down and mush the glue down to the tip. And then I'm going to try to clean it up a little bit. So we do push it, then I'm doing like a cure, holding it kind of where I want it. Okay, now I think I'm good. So I'm curing it for 60 seconds. Now I did have some squish out, so I'm showing you what I'm doing. I'm just going around the edges, trying to scrape up some of it. Some of it is coming off, but, you know, lesson learned. Pay attention before you put it in the lamp to cure. All right. So here we go. We're going to try this again with the second nail. And I really shouldn't be touching it with my fingers. That's why I'm grabbing this little tool. I'm going to grab the other end of it and see if I can just kind of mush this down a little bit. Kind of get it going the direction I want it to. But you don't want to really touch it with your fingers. And get it on your skin or whatever, because that's just not good. It's just not good. You're going to get your oils and whatever on the glue, and then it's not going to want to stick. So I think that one's looking good. So we're going to pop it in there for 60 seconds. And here we go again. Now the whole video isn't going to just be this. I'm going to actually, put a little bit of something on the nails before I finish. But you'll have to come back to see the, real painting and design for another video. Because this one was going to be so long, I decided to split it. Oof, oof, jumping all over the place. Y'all look. Just so you know, I'm a real human. I am a mess maker from way back. Now this nail's got like, I cleaned it with alcohol, but it kind of looks like I might have got some acetone on it. But I'm going to end up painting them anyway. So I'm okay with that. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to try to get that little glob of glue off the side. All right. Make sure it's down good. It's looking good. And I've never worn the almond nails, so I was pretty excited about, trying them. Susie over at Career Nail Education, I think that's like her favorite shape. So I thought I'd give it a try. And Woody is getting a workout. I obviously put way too much of the glue on this one. But I think in time I will figure out like exactly the right amount that I need. And if you use this, you will too. So I'm curing it again for 60 seconds and going back in for another dab. And I'm hoping that it does get easier with time. And I do really believe it will, because all the other nail things that I've done, if I just practice at it and play with it long enough, I figure it out. And this little tool seems to be working pretty good. Just kind of help. I mean, like I said, this is really solid. It ain't liquidy at all. So you just, I just wanted to be able to, spread it out a little bit. That one looks pretty good. I actually did pretty good on that one. See? 60 more seconds curing. I'm going to add on the Iron Anchor Strengthening Base Coat by Anchor and Heart. Is that right? But it's just a base coat, sticky base coat. Because I want stuff to, I didn't want to file these down. I just wanted to slap something on them. And now I'm going to go in with Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer. And this is such a good polish. Now, as you can see, I've got a little bit of a nail sticking out on that side, so maybe I didn't size these perfectly, but, you're only seeing that because it's so up close. In real life, it wasn't really that big of a deal. And here we're getting our coat of Shutout down. And this self-levels really nicely. So it's one of the reasons why I wanted to use it. Now my thumb, something's up with that thumb. So I don't know why that polish is looking weird. I think I had something on the nail. Got Woody back out here helping me clean up my mess. And I'm going to get my cleanup brush and clean up this little daub right here. Yeah. So I really did like this Vettsy nail glue. I'm digging it. I loved that it was so easy to use. I do love it. Yes, I do. So that's my take on that. And you'll see me use it again, I'm sure. But I wanted to show the whole process. So there is my little white nails. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.